No, you know the record. Josh Edley on behalf with Miss Amanda Bradley, who's stating the
Good morning.
full reading of stand mute as pleaded not guilty for arraignment purposes. We have reached a resolution.
Tell me all about it.
The A matter, Your Honor, the expired license, and the B matter, 11 to 15, are both going to be dismissed. Or to be guilty to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And Ms. Bradley is the holder of a valid license.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Hadley? You understand those rights and the options they give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? Were you suspended on February 22nd? No. Were you expired on February 22nd, 2026 when you drove a vehicle in Romulus? Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, sir.
So am I. Love the green and yeah, just very, very springy. Yeah, very springy. Well, the tie's nice. Anything else I should know before I sentence?
I think kind of live with the allocution. I mean, she went out and took care of everything she needed to do. She's balanced good. Otherwise,
Working?
Yes,
Where at?
ready to get work.
Who for?
Here, Water.
How long?
2 years.
Good, good. All right, fines and costs you $400. Can you pay that today or do you need options?
2 weeks, that should be good.
You want me to just give you a due date?
Yeah, that's fine.
22nd, plenty of time?
Yeah. 22nd? Yeah. That's perfect.
All right. You're all set? Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hernandez.
Mr. Julian Hernandez, from today's pre-trial. Yes, please state the record, sir. Julian Hernandez. Your Honor, we'll adjourn this matter to review, discovery, discuss options with the prosecution. We have reached a resolution. At this time, both original charges are going to be amended. The OWI will be amended down, operating while visibly impaired.
Yep.
Be tendering guilty plea. The driving while license suspended would be amended down to a no opt. So we'd be tendering guilty plea to that as well.
All right. Mr. Hernandez, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley?
Yes.
Did you understand all those rights and the options presented?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty to the added charges? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to these added charges freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on May 15 last year?
Yes.
And prior to driving, did you drink some alcohol?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Was there a breath or blood test?
Test, and this one that was actually part of the discovery. We had a little bit let's call it a typo entry at the MSP that created a little bit.
Okay. Would you stipulate that the blood test result was 0.08 or more? You satisfied?
We are, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea to the added charges, dismiss the originals. All right, I'm going to send Mr. Hernandez down to probation to schedule a pre-sentence interview. We'll get you scheduled with that interview and a sentencing date. The interview leads to a report. You go over the report with counsel when you come back for sentencing. I'll look at the report. We'll have a conversation. I'll sentence you then. Understood? I'll continue bond in the meantime. Any questions, sir?
No.
Have a lovely day.
The first case involved Amanda Bradley. She was facing driving-related charges, but her attorney informed the court that a resolution had been reached with the prosecution. Under the agreement, the original charges were dismissed, and Bradley entered a guilty plea to the reduced charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. After accepting the plea, the judge imposed a $400 fine and gave her 2 weeks to make the payment. With that, the case was officially resolved without the need for further proceedings. The second case involved Julian Hernandez, who was originally charged with operating while intoxicated, commonly known as OWI, along with driving on a suspended license. According to the plea agreement presented in court, the OWI charge was reduced to operating while visibly impaired, while the suspended license charge was amended to no operator's license. After reviewing the terms of the agreement, the judge accepted Hernandez's plea and dismissed the original charges. Before sentencing can take place, Hernandez was ordered to report to the probation department for an interview and the preparation of a pre-sentence report. Until the sentencing hearing is completed, his bond will remain in effect. Both cases highlight how plea negotiations can significantly change the outcome of criminal proceedings and often result in reduced charges in exchange for a guilty plea.